nicely, and all of a sudden you come bombing in, purring like you're a good cat, but biting the tail mercilessly. We'll have no tail biting. Tail biting is denied.
Time for a post-lunch nap in the warm spot. Tibby